Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1061, the service cannot accept control messages at this time on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now there are two things. One thing is that an update would be stuck. So first of all, right click on the start button, select settings, select Windows update and check for updates. Make sure that each and every single update is has been installed, and once that is done, if you still encounter this, then I'll show you one more solution that will definitely work. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other services check, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Now what would happen is that it would shut down every unnecessary service, restart the computer and restart all the services. Now if this doesn't work either, then you will have to wait. Maybe it is a server issue or something, but you will have to wait in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.